Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to change the wall sconce from this one to another one. The first step is to turn off the light and the electricity that goes into the light fixture. Here, this light has this couple of screws. One and two, right there. And then once those two screws are out, then take out the wires. Then you can just take them from here, take one apart, put the cap together for now, then the other side. And you're done taking it off. These just come out. They don't have any screws on them. They're just to hold the thing in place, the old one. So we'll just take these off. So now it's ready for the next one. As for the sconce, the new one, we're gonna take this screw off so this comes out. Once you take the screw on top off, then you pull this out from the top, and then the bottom, it has an anchor. It goes in here. So let's take this apart, and this is going here on the wall. So you'll have the wires, put them through the middle, and then you're gonna put the screws here, making sure that this is going straight up and down. And you have different holes to choose from. Here are the right ones, here and here. One screw there, the other one here. There. So this is going up and down straight. You have the wires in the middle. The ground is right here. So let's get the rest of the lamp. It's right here. This is going here. And then the rest of the other ones, these two wires, are going here. So let's do one by one. There's that one. Now the other. The ground. You can screw this ground a little bit. There he is. So now you have the electricity onto the lamp. Now you can put the wires back. And then this goes first the bottom piece. Then the top piece. And then you put the screw on top. Now that that's done, now we can put the shade up here. First you put the shade, and then this, screw it from top to bottom. Once you're done screwing the top portion that holds the shade, now you can put the light bulb and you're done. And you could put your own light bulb, but I decided to put an LED light bulb on it. So this is what it looks like once it's installed. It was easy to do so. to install it. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.